How to use the count function in Microsoft Excel. Imagine you have a big list of numbers and want to know how many of those cells actually contain numbers. That's where the count function in Microsoft Excel comes into play. It helps you quickly find out how many cells in a range have numeric data. This is super handy when you're checking data for missing entries or verifying totals. Using the count function is simple. First, click on the cell where you want the answer to appear. Then type is equal to count. After that, select the range of cells you want to count. For example, if your data is in cells from A1 to A20, you would select A1 through A20. Close the formula with a parenthesis and press Enter. The cell will now show the number of cells in that range that contain numbers. For example, if you type is equal to count, A1, A20, and there are 10 cells with numbers, the formula will return 10. Remember, count only counts cells with numbers, including dates and numbers stored as text. It ignores empty cells, cells with text, logical values like true or false, and any error messages. You can also include multiple ranges or individual cells in one formula. Just separate each range or cell with a comma. For example, is equal to count, A1, A10, C1, C10, E1 will count all numeric cells in those three areas. You can add up to 255 arguments in one formula. Count is especially useful when you want to quickly see how many numeric entries are in a dataset. It helps with data validation, making sure your data is complete and accurate. You can combine count with other functions like if or SUMPRODUCT to do more complex calculations based on whether cells contain numbers. If you need to count all types of data including text, logical values, or errors, then the COUNTA function is your go-to. But for counting only numbers, count is the fastest and easiest way. Remember, mastering count along with other functions like max or min will make your data analysis much smoother. It's a simple yet powerful tool in your Excel toolkit.